Pet owners know the challenges that come with keeping a clean home. From unexpected spills to the constant battle with pet hair, maintaining cleanliness can feel like a full-time job. This Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo is a cordless portable deep cleaner and hand vacuum designed to tackle tough pet messes effortlessly. With its dual functionality, this machine is a game changer for pet owners, offering a convenient and efficient way to keep your home spotless. Benefits of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo. 1. Dual functionality combines the capabilities of a deep cleaner and a hand vacuum, allowing you to tackle both wet and dry messes. 2. Cordless convenience. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides the freedom to clean anywhere without the need for an outlet. 3. Powerful cleaning. The Bissell Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula effectively removes tough pet stains and odors. 4. Ease of use. Simple assembly and intuitive operation make it easy to switch between wet and dry cleaning modes. 5. Comprehensive cleaning, ideal for use on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and auto interiors, making it a versatile cleaning tool for any household. 6. Supporting a cause. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo is more than just a spot cleaner. It's a versatile tool that combines the power of a deep cleaner and a hand vacuum, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks around the house. Whether you need to clean carpets, upholstery, stairs, or auto interiors, this machine has you covered. One of the standout features of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo is its cordless design. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers the freedom to clean without being tethered to an outlet. This grab-and-go convenience means you can quickly address messes wherever they occur, from the living room to the car. Unlike many spot cleaners that handle only wet messes, the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo is equipped to tackle both wet and dry messes. The machine comes with a deep cleaner attachment for dealing with spills, stains, and pet accidents, and a hand vacuum attachment for dry debris like pet food and hair. This dual functionality ensures that you can handle any mess your pets create. The deep cleaner attachment works in conjunction with Bissell Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula, providing powerful cleaning action that can remove even the toughest pet stains and odors. The formula is designed to penetrate deep into carpets and upholstery, lifting stains and leaving your surfaces looking and smelling fresh. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo is designed with user convenience in mind. It's easy to assemble and use, with intuitive controls that allow you to switch seamlessly between wet cleaning and dry vacuuming. The machine keeps wet and dry messes separate, making cleanup after use straightforward and hassle-free. Purchasing the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo does more than just help you maintain a clean home. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. By choosing Bissell products, recontributing to a greater cause and helping to make a difference in the lives of animals in need. Imagine this. You just come home to find that your beloved dog has had an accident on the living room carpet. With the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo, there's no need to panic. Simply grab the machine, attach the deep cleaner head, and spray the affected area with the Bissell Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula. The powerful suction and scrub brush work together to lift the stain, leaving your carpet looking as good as new. Once you've finished, switch to the hand vacuum attachment to quickly pick up any stray pet hair or debris. Or consider a situation where your cat has knocked over a bowl of dry food. Instead of dragging out a full-sized vacuum, you can use the hand vacuum attachment on the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo to clean up the mess in seconds. Its compact size and cordless design make it easy to maneuver and store, ensuring that you can deal with messes quickly and efficiently. Conclusion: the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo is a must-have for any pet owner. Its innovative design, powerful cleaning capabilities, and ease of use make it an invaluable tool for maintaining a clean and comfortable home. Whether you're dealing with wet spills or dry messes, this versatile machine has you covered. Plus, with every purchase supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation, we're not only investing in a cleaner home, but also contributing to a worthy cause. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Duo a part of your home today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.